Another one of my favorite herbs. We grow both tubular and garlic chives. So this gives you the flavor of garlic. It's an allium. We love putting it in sauces and dips. Beautiful, fragrant, aromatic, delicious. Really adds a lot of flavor. You can cook this one a little bit more, but also I think it's best just slightly cooked. Add it in at the end of whatever you're cooking. And you can also do it raw in a guacamole or a salsa, but they make like a really nice garnish. You can get them on your cutting board and dice them up really fine. This is green, flavorful confetti. And of course, garlic, antiviral, antifungal, antibacterial, antiparasitic. So let your food be your medicine to keep you healthy. We don't grow a lot of garlic. We're working on growing more garlic. But this is a great substitute for that flavor. Rosemary, sage, thyme, oregano, mint, dill, basil, cilantro. So many fresh herbs available 7 days per week from 7 a.m. to 8 p.m. every day at our Kulumalu Town Center location in Pukalani, and soon to be opening our second location in Wailea Village. We're very pleased to announce that we have signed a lease and we are officially opening up on the south side, planning on end of the year or beginning of 2026, getting all the equipment ordered, and super exciting that we'll be able to share this fresh harvest every day in Wailea as well.